how to reset your transit app account password. Hello guys, in this video you'll learn how you can reset your transit app account password, and here is how to go about it. First of all, you must note that you cannot change your password while you are inside the account. For example, now you've opened your app and you've already signed in into your transit app. Once you've signed in, that is when you would see your map and then finding address and all of that. All right. So what do you do first? The first thing you should do, after if you're already signed in into your account, is to sign out of your account. And then how do you sign out? You sign out by moving to the top left corner where you can see the gear icon. Once you see it and you've clicked on it, you'll be brought to the page where you can see some options, right? And then at the lowest part of the screen, you can see the big icon saying transit and connected. Just click on it and then you can see the option delete account and then sign out. So click on sign out. All right, after signing out, then you'll then be taken to the sign in page again. So on that sign in page, you'll be asked to enter in your email and then your password. So when we are prompted to enter your password, just select forgot password and then tap send email. Then the next thing to do is to check your email on the same phone where you have transit installed, and then the email from transit, tap the reset password link and then follow the steps to reset your password and set up your payment details. And this time, ensure you remember your password to avoid similar issues as this. So this is basically how you can do it. Okay, this is how you can sign out. This is how you can reset your password on the transit app. Thanks for watching and have a good day.